So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add an item to your favorites list here on Etsy. So once Etsy's opened up, so for example, if I wanted to go to home favorites right here and I wanted to find, I don't know, some bedding for an example, and I find this wonderful blanket right here or whatever this may be. And if you want to go ahead and add this to your favorites, so let's say you like this, you want to add it to your favorites, go to the top right and press on the heart. Once the heart is selected, it'll say saved right here, and you've now added it to your collection or favorites. So if you were to go to the top here to where it says favorites and press on that, you can now check your favorites that were added here on Etsy. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to add an item to your favorites list on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.